Hey, this is the main entrance of our lobby over here. That is the main entrance. Okay, let me take you in the kitchen again. With all the chef is cooking. See what they are cooking right now. That's Amanda. That is Deep, the ocean deep. Hey,
What's
yeah,
up? Yeah, man.
That's Amanda. Yeah, yeah, man. Hey!
Hey, what happened? You have a microphone now?
Yeah. Everything.
Oh, actually have Amanda.
Yeah. Done.
Nice, huh?
So this is all the chef. This is the fish chef. He's one of the best in the island. Right? Cool. Yeah, chef. What's your cooking, chef? Doris. Hey. This is the breakfast actually still. But it's already almost 10 o'clock, so the breakfast is almost done. Early in the morning is so busy and the chef is cooking right now. Look at this. Pancake. Okay. And two just Elodie. Look at the action. What is that, chef?
Egg Benedict.
Egg Benedict. That's a bit to go, right? So now this like start getting mellow. Early about 7 or until 8 or 9 when kitchen is really busy. But now slowing down now because it's ready for lunch. Okay, look at this. Nice. And we use the recycle to go back also. What are you cooking, chef?
Hey, hi guys. I'm cooking a fish chef at the Vindham Hotel. So we just planning to open our coffee corner downstairs. So we plan for that, what we make and what goes well. So let's see how it's happened.
That's right.
So we make lots of things in the morning, like chocolate cupcake and fantastic orange cheesecake. And we have some other stuff also which we already sent it downstairs. So we will show you tomorrow.
All right.
Donuts and Boston donuts, chocolate donuts and carrot cake, coffee walnut cake, lots of things.
That's nice, chef.
Sure. Thank you.
Elodie. Elodie is working here. How many years you work here, Elodie?
10 years, Tony, 10 years.
Okay, 10 years she's been here. She's still doing good. So that's Miss Elodie actually is originally from Jamaica, but now she's a Kimanian. Yeah? So stand side up. Here's this screen that you can see the order. It's breakfast time. Guys, it's already like almost 10 o'clock, like 5 minutes to 10. So now I'll know maybe this is the last call for the breakfast and then ready for lunch again because in the morning it's really busy and I came late actually. I just tried to take some footage but I came late, so still good. there to go. So we use the recycle box actually to go box.
Okay, cool.
What they're making, chef?
It's a banana chip for the ceviche.
Oh, so we make banana chips over here actually. See? Look at that. Look how we cut the banana.
Just for side for the ceviche, tuna tartar, and tuna tacos.
Chef is all over. No, chef is like all around actually over here too. He can be a pastry chef. He can be in the cool kitchen. He can be in the hot also. And he's the master of salad also. You gonna fry it or you have to
Yes.
put in the oven?
No, I put the fryer after.
Show me the banana.
Yes.
How thin is the banana?
We'll do it.
So all our ingredients is fresh. So remember that. So you have to come to window. Foods, drinks.
This one? Yes, sir. Here's additional. Now it's ready. Banana.
Crispy banana chip.
Excellent.
Still, it's already 10 o'clock, but still there's a lot of order. So how it goes, you know, always make get satisfied. That's all about. So, okay, just steaming. It's really clean, right? That's how you sanitize things over here. Really nice, Sylvie. Sanitizing everything. The best. Hey, Guppy, say hello. Say hello to my little friend.
Hi, how are you?
What is that, chef?
This is a scrambled egg, American breakfast. This one is sunny-side up egg. This is the scrambled. This is sunny-side up breakfast potato. This is American breakfast.
So this is American breakfast. So that's ready. Ready for the guests. All right. Nice clippings.
Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
Okay. Next time, huh?
Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to his channel.